We are diving headfirst into the AI revolution. We're not here for hypotheticals. We're here for concrete answers. We're asking, which jobs have AI already replaced? How is it happening? And which jobs are safe from the AI takeover? So let's get right to it. I'm going to start by saying that I believe that AI has already taken over the job of a data entry clerk by using machine learning algorithms. What do you think, Nia? Is there any other job that has already been replaced by AI? Okay, Emma, while data entry clerks are definitely feeling the heat, let's not act like that's the only job on the chopping block. I mean, we're talking about a full-blown shift, not just a minor tweak. I've seen firsthand how AI has completely replaced content moderators at various social media companies. These were real people doing that job, and now AI algorithms are doing it. It's not just about algorithms. It's about sophisticated machine learning models that can identify and remove inappropriate content faster and cheaper than humans ever could. So, let's be clear, it's not just data entry, it's content moderation and many more jobs.
Okay, Nia, you're right. Content moderators are definitely gone. But let's be real, that's just scratching the surface. I mean, we're talking about jobs that require actual thought, not just scanning for bad words. Look at paralegals. AI tools are now doing document review and legal research way faster and cheaper. It's not just about identifying bad stuff, it's about complex analysis, and AI is taking over these jobs right now. So, if you're in a job that involves repetitive analysis, you should be very worried.
Okay, Jaylen, I agree that paralegals are certainly feeling the impact of AI, with document review and legal research being automated through AI tools. You see, these tools use natural language processing and machine learning to sift through vast amounts of legal documents at speeds that humans simply can't match. This really highlights how AI is moving beyond simple tasks and into roles that require more complex cognitive skills. Now, I think it's important to note that we are witnessing a shift in the job market, and I think Nia has more to say about this. Okay, Emma, it's not just about a shift. It's a full-blown replacement. I mean, paralegals are just the tip of the iceberg. We're seeing junior copywriters getting replaced by AI writing tools, and these tools are not just spinning words. They're generating sophisticated marketing copy. Also, let's talk about customer service representatives. Chatbots are handling most of the basic queries, and they're doing it 24/7. It's not a shift, it's a takeover, and if you are in these jobs, you should be very worried.
Nia, you're absolutely right. It's not a shift, it's a complete takeover. And you know what? It's even worse than people realize. Accountants, administrative assistants, these are jobs that people think are safe, but AI is coming for them. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms that can handle data analysis and scheduling. If your job involves any kind of repetitive task, you should be updating your resume, because it's not a matter of if, but when AI will replace you.
Okay, Jaylen, I see your point about accountants and administrative assistants facing threats from AI. The automation of data analysis and scheduling, as you mentioned, is indeed a significant shift. I mean, these are roles often seen as stable, but the reality is that AI algorithms are increasingly capable of handling these tasks with greater efficiency and accuracy. So, this means that many more jobs are at risk. I think it is very important to understand the extent of this change. What exactly is at stake here? I am ready to hear from Nia. Well, Emma, what's at stake is the very nature of work. We're not talking about a few jobs here and there. We're talking about a massive restructuring of the labor market. It's not just about accountants and administrative assistants. It's about any job that involves repetitive tasks or data analysis. If you're a junior copywriter, a customer service representative, or even a paralegal, you should be very concerned. I mean, AI is not just assisting, it's replacing. And if you are not learning the skills that AI cannot replicate, you're going to be left behind. This is a harsh reality, and people need to wake up to it.
Look, Nia, you're right. It's not just a few jobs. It's a massive restructuring, but let's not sugarcoat it. It's a full-blown replacement, and people need to understand that. If you're in any role that involves repetitive analysis or data entry, or even basic customer interactions, your job is on the chopping block. I mean, we're talking about algorithms that learn and improve, unlike humans, and that's the real threat. It's not just about waking up, it's about preparing for a new reality. You are either adapting or you are becoming obsolete.
Okay, Jaylen, I think you've both made some very strong and clear points. To summarize, we've identified specific jobs like data entry clerks, content moderators, paralegals, junior copywriters, customer service representatives, accountants, and administrative assistants as being significantly impacted or already replaced by AI. This is happening through sophisticated machine learning, natural language processing, and AI algorithms that automate tasks previously done by humans. The reality, as we've discussed, is that many jobs are at risk, particularly those involving repetitive tasks and data analysis. It's clear that there's a need for everyone to adapt and acquire new skills. I want to thank you both for your insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Channel 41 for more debates on the future of work.